In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best bidets. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best bidets. Number 5. Alpha Bidet JX2. The Alpha Bidet JX2 combines elegant design with everyday practicality, giving you the ultimate bathroom upgrade. Its slim, low-profile look blends perfectly into any modern bathroom, while whisper-quiet operation ensures you enjoy every moment in peace. With a tankless water heating system, it delivers endless warm water on demand. No more cold surprises. The white LED nightlight with an ambient sensor softly lights your way at night, adding both style and convenience. The JX2's stainless steel nozzle is self-cleaning and built for durability, offering a hygienic and refreshing wash every time. Its wireless remote is thoughtfully designed with shortcut buttons for quick access to your favorite settings. Whether you're new to bidets or upgrading your current seat, this model is simple to install and a joy to use. The sittable lid adds bonus comfort, and the bowl mist feature is a game changer for keeping things fresher and cleaner with less effort. Number 4. Toto Washlet C5. The Toto Washlet C5 delivers an elevated bathroom experience with its thoughtful blend of comfort and hygiene. From the gentle yet powerful water spray to the adjustable temperature and pressure settings, it's built for personalized cleansing. The dual-action spray with oscillating movement ensures a thorough clean every time, and the soft, close heated seat adds a layer of cozy luxury that you'll appreciate day and night. What makes this bidet especially appealing is its smart technology. The premised function prevents waste from sticking by lightly misting the bowl before use, while the eWater Plus self-cleans the wand inside and out using electrolyzed water. With a built-in air deodorizer and warm air dryer, your entire experience feels clean, fresh, and touch-free. Easy to install and backed by Toto's trusted reputation, the Washlet C5 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable, hygienic comfort. Number 3. Kohler PureWash E820. Upgrade your toilet with the Kohler PureWash E820 and enjoy a spa-like cleanse at the touch of a button. This stylish, elongated bidet seat offers warm waterfront and rear washes with customizable temperature and pressure. The hybrid heater ensures consistent warm water, while the oscillating and pulsating spray modes let you tailor every cleanse to your comfort. It's a major step up from toilet paper, more soothing, effective, and hygienic. The PureWash E820 doesn't stop at cleanliness. It adds convenience too. A UV self-cleaning stainless steel wand, automatic deodorization system, and a built-in nightlight make this seat feel futuristic. The remote control includes 2 programmable presets, so you can save your favorite settings for instant access. With quiet close functionality and a warm air dryer, this bidet toilet seat makes your daily routine feel effortlessly luxurious. Number 2. Bidet Bliss BB2000. Step into the world of advanced bathroom technology with the Bidet Bliss BB2000. Designed for comfort and versatility, it features a 3-in-1 stainless steel nozzle with self-cleaning functionality and customizable front and rear washes. Whether you're seeking gentle postpartum care, recovery after surgery, or simply a more hygienic clean, this bidet has a setting for everyone. The endless warm water, soothing massage function, and warm air dryer provide a complete hands-free experience. Luxury touches include a slow-close heated seat, built-in deodorizer, and soft nightlight, perfect for late-night visits. The wireless remote is intuitive, allowing you to adjust temperature, pressure, and nozzle position with ease. Installation is simple and doesn't require a plumber, making it a hassle-free upgrade. The BB2000 is a fan favorite for a reason. It's packed with thoughtful features and built to provide long-lasting comfort and cleanliness for every user. Number 1. Toto Washlet S7A. Topping our list is the Toto Washlet S7A, a powerhouse of innovation, luxury, and user-friendly design. This smart bidet seat delivers a continuous stream of warm water infused with Toto's Air-in Wonder Wave technology for an incredibly gentle yet effective clean. The automatic open-close lid creates a touch-free experience, while the built-in nightlight adds convenience in the dark. It even offers auto-flush compatibility when paired with the right kit. What sets this model apart is its holistic approach to cleanliness. Pre-mist prevents waste from sticking by misting the bowl, and e-water Plus keeps the wand and bowl clean using electrolyzed water before and after use. With 2 user memory settings, a customizable remote control, and a high-end build trusted by millions, the Washlet S7A is more than a bidet. It's a lifestyle upgrade. If you're looking for unmatched comfort, hygiene, and smart features, this is the bidet to beat. And there you have it, the top 5 bidet toilet seats that can truly transform your bathroom into a personal spa. Each one offers a unique mix of comfort, cleanliness, and smart features to fit your lifestyle. From heated seats and endless warm water to self-cleaning nozzles and customizable settings, these bidets are designed to make your daily routine feel a whole lot better. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.